Hello everyone, and we're back. This is Jill again. I think let's start my first content when I was started here in Papua New Guinea as an OFW. OFW means, of course, Overseas Filipino Workers. So ayun, kami yung nandito sa abroad, kami yung mga buhay na bayani, sabi nga ni Kuya. I have a lot of experiences here in Papua New Guinea since day one I started here. I know and I meet all of my friends, most especially PNG locals, and then I meet some of the airline representative, those bosses there, the white people, most especially Australian, European, and some New Zealander. I think I am one of the lucky OFW because since then I started that our company is very like rich, or we are one of the top company here in Papua New Guinea as those days. And then recently, ayun nga, hindi naman perfect yung di ba buhay ganun ganon, pero syempre all I can say is tuloy lang ang laban because ayun nga, yung buhay kasi ng tao or ng bawat isa sa atin is bilog. So hindi natin masabi na hindi ka naman lagi nasa ilalim, nasa ibabaw or nasa middle. So all you have to do is to praise your flag. And then, lesson learned din sa lahat, syempre, kailangan nating patuloy na magsikap, magtiyaga, and also mag-pray sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin, di ba? Because prayer is most powerful tool for our life, right? And then, aside from those things, and then I experienced to fly or visited different places here in Papua New Guinea first. I flew in Rabaul, which is the new East Britain, look at the upper part of Papua New Guinea. And then second travel, I was fly to Goroka. And Goroka is like a Baguio, but three times ng Baguio. Super cold ng place na yon. All the people there are wearing thick clothes like jackets, sweatshirt, and all. And then good thing when I was we are planning to go there together with my staff at the travel. Sobrang nag-ready talaga ako that time kasi alam kong sinerch ko kasi when I was way back 2015 when I was first started to fly international, I will always search the particular place before I flew because you need to be ready because hindi natin alam kung malamig ba doon, mainit, ganun. Syempre, tutugma mo, iakama mo yung damit mong gagamitin once you arrive on that place, right? Because as a travel agent, you need to search first. You need to discover or having a research first of all for you to know about those places, right? Ayun, I love this place because PNG is most likely similar to Philippines, and some of their food normally parehas na parehas sa atin. Syempre mahilig silang kumain ng ano sila parang carnivore sila kasi mahilig sila kumain ng mga meat, proteins and all. So like Filipinos, 'di ba? May tayo kumain ng mga karne, ganyan-ganyan, mga yung mga manok or what. At mahilig rin sila kumain ng mga veggies, yung ibang mga PNG local. So ayun, I have a lot of experiences here, so I'm happy and proud because without Papua New Guinea, I'm not here. Without my bosses, I'm not here. And that's a whole as a company. So of course, OFW is we are the living heroes or buhay ng mga bayani. We know our expectation here as some overseas Filipino workers. Of course, the precautions when we go out on the places here in the city, most especially because as we all know, PNG is not really a safe place, most especially for us as expatriates rather in this company in this country. So we are really careful on our movements here. Basically, when we are driving out of our accommodation, it's very risky talaga. So, ang dami nangyayaring bad scenario in all over the corner of city. Most especially here because rampant talaga yung mga tao dito na hindi talaga nila kasi hindi na naman sila sa hindi nakapag-aral pero most of the time most of them are very rude tapos ano sila masyado silang ano mostly yung mga ayun yung mga Highlander dito kasi masyado silang barbaric ayun yung term masyado silang sa mga marvelous sila sa mga war ganyan ganyan kasi parang old ages pa rin sila hindi pa sila yung katulad civilized na mga katulad natin sa Philippines or sa some Asian countries na malapit sa atin kasi napakalayo. So siguro kung i-compare natin, siguro it's about 50 years or 80 years or 100 years bago mag-develop tong country nila. Tsaka ang first na na-observe ko is attitude ng mga tao dito. Although nag-aral naman sila pero on the back of them, andun pa rin talaga yung barbaric attitude. So I think that's for now. Mag-iisip pa rin ako ng mga content and then ayun, mag-share ako ng mga moments dito and then mag-iisip din ako ng mga mas mga interesting topics for all of you guys. So ayun lang for now. Good night everyone. It's almost midnight 12:33 in the midnight here in Papua New Guinea and we are 2 hours ahead in the Philippines. So ayun lang, bye. Bye guys everyone. I love you.